A new beast of tablets has arrived, and its name is the iPad Air 5th generation. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, BMAC. And if this is your first time here to this channel, welcome, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you smash that subscribe button with all notifications turned on so that you never missed another video on this channel. And if you've been here before, or if you're already subscribed, welcome back. So yes, indeed, today I do have the iPad Air 5th generation in the space gray color. I know there's a couple different pretty colors available for the iPad Air now, but you know me, anything... Hope to God that didn't just smash the screen. Anything I could get closest to matte black, I'm gonna go for. So yes, space gray, iPad Air, 5th generation, new Apple product. You know what that means? Gotta unbox this, but we're off to a great start in this unboxing. Gotta unbox this bad boy, so without any further ado, let's do it. Unlike the iPhone box, we actually do have some cellophane on the outside that we have to uncellophane, so we shall. No knife required now, all we have to do is just pull this. Ooh. So satisfying. And then from here, we could quickly and easily take off the rest of the cellophane. That was a lot harder than actually was supposed to be. iPad Air on the right side, iPad Air on the left side, Apple logo on top, Apple logo on bottom, and some more model information, serial number information, and of course what comes in the box, all that good stuff on the back, but we don't care about that. We care about what's inside the box. So we shall unbox the box, the unboxing. We're gonna quickly and carefully take this, put it to the side, get to that again in just a second. Also in the box, the second thing you're gonna see is this little pamphlet of information here, designed by Apple in California. We shall open this up, see what comes in here. First things first, you are gonna see a quick start guide, which if you open this up, in case you didn't know how to actually charge up your iPad or use it, there's your quick start guide right there. You could read through that if you want. Also, we do have what appears to be some safety and handling information, some battery and charging information, so some more reading if you want. And then last but certainly not least, your beloved enlarged Apple stickers. These are, I say enlarged because these are bigger than like the last couple of things I've unboxed and the stickers you've gotten with those. So 2 Apple stickers, which I will find a reason to do something with one of these days. Also in the box you will see you do have your power adapter, which if we unravel this, that is your classic white plastic, slightly gloss finish wall adapter with a USB-C connection there for charging up your iPad Air. And this specifically is a 20-watt wall adapter, so you get that. And of course you will get your USB-C to USB-C cable. The iPad Air, of course, now is a USB-C connection on the bottom, but we'll get to that in just a second, getting ahead of myself. But yes, a 3-foot USB-C to USB-C cable right there. And that's all that comes in the box. I'm gonna take all this stuff, put it to the side, watch the baby over there. Don't wanna get that damaged. Okay, to the side, back to the main star of the show. This is the iPad Air, but what we are, ooh, there's the camera. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We are going to uncellophane the iPad Air. So, deep breath, let's do it. There are few things in life more satisfying. I'm serious. The iPad Air 5th generation in the space gray color. Nothing too crazy with the color. It is very much just space gray, but that nice matte finish space gray. I'm spitting all over this thing. It's funny, this reminds me so much of the iPad Pro, and I'm actually pretty curious to see how this performance built into the new iPad Air compares to the iPad Pro, but it's given me serious iPad Pro vibes. But anyway, let's take a closer look. Nothing too drastic has changed with the iPad Air 5th generation compared to the 4th generation, but for those of you who are looking at this for the first time, you will see on the top right of the device, you do have a volume up and volume down button there, physical volume up and volume down buttons. On the left side of the device, nothing. But on the top of the device, and what I think is one of the best features of the iPad Air is right here, a Touch ID power button. I truly do hope we get something like this carried over to the iPhone. Face ID, love it, use it every day, but just to have the option of also utilizing Touch ID when you need to would be amazing to have. So it's possible we get it here in the iPad Air. Let's hope we get it in the iPhone. But yes, this is your Touch ID power button right there, along with your dual speakers. And then on the bottom of the iPad Air, dual speakers as well, along with that USB-C port we were just talking about. And then on the front of the display, almost an edge-to-edge display, but we'll see the slight bezels in just a second here, along with your front-facing camera. But let's turn this puppy on. Boom. There it goes. The iPad Air being turned on for the first time. Oh, and here we are. Hello. Love that little intro animation. So here's the thing. You don't want to watch me set this thing up. It's boring. I'm just going to snap my fingers. It's all going to be done for you. Okay, it's set up. The iPad Air being turned on for the first time, and I'm not blown away here because it's very similar to the iPad Air 4th generation, but it is just gonna be better, faster, more powerful. This is the iPad Air. One thing I am noticing right off the bat is the 60 hertz display. With using the iPad Pro consistently and with using my iPhone 13 Pro Max consistently, both of which have ProMotion or 120 hertz refresh rate displays, going to a 60 hertz display, especially on a display size that this is this big, it's pretty noticeable. Some people can't notice it, but I can notice it. So that's one thing that just always jumps out at me with using the iPad Air compared to a higher refresh rate tablet like the iPad Pro, but I'm getting ahead of myself here. All that will be covered in my upcoming iPad Air 5th generation review on this channel, so do not forget to smash that subscribe button so you do not miss when that review video drops. But I'm getting ahead of myself here. This is just the unboxing. So that is the unboxing of the iPad Air. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Still exciting nonetheless. Per usual, if you want to learn more about the iPad Air 5th generation or just to snag one of these puppies for yourself, you guys could always head to my affiliate link, bmac.link/iPad Air 5, bmac.link/iPad Air 5, or of course there will always be a clickable link in the video description box below as well, so be sure to check that out. And with that having been said, I'm just a little disappointed with the name iPad Air that this thing isn't floating, so I'm gonna go try to find a way to make that happen. It's not gonna happen, but with a name like iPad Air, you wanna make it happen. I will see you guys in my next video. How about that? How about that right there? iPad Air. That'd make a good thumbnail right there. Don't try that at home, boys and girls. That could be a very expensive mistake.